Hi, Ken Goodfellow, Coach Ken, back with another segment on partnership and family business. This time I want to talk to you about kind of how you handle staff and non-staff within your organization. But before I do that, I just want to talk that, there's certainly advantages to the family business, as I talked about in the first video. There's also disadvantages. And we know all the time that running a small business or a family business is challenging at the best of times, right? So the first thing is keep emotional conflicts out of the office. You don't want to bring that into the office so everybody hears what's going on and, it affects the culture of the business and affects how people start their day. And you don't want to start your day too high, too low. You want to keep the emotional stuff out of the office. The second thing is treat family and staff as equals. Hey, look, if a staff member deserves to move up the scale, then that's what he needs to do. If a family member is doing a great job and you want to move him to another position, that's what has to happen. But make sure you treat them as equal. The next point is rewards should be based on performance, not on relationships, right? So just because it's a family relation doesn't mean they become vice president of the company if they're not capable of doing the job. Doesn't make any sense. And the last point is do not ask employees to get involved in your family disputes as they go on. It's a great way to lose people, but they don't deserve that. They never asked to be into that. Very important point. So I hope you have a fantastic week and these thoughts help.